Just that the lens bit. Look at the llama. Llama!
Good morning, everyone. We start this slow morning off with a, let's see, mic working? Yeah, mic is a bit problematic, the cable. Started off with a little bit of maintenance. The guys were nice enough to lend me a little bit of diesel. Yeah, since yesterday I could really hear that the chain was chunky. It's usually a very bad sign. A few days ago, I already actually noticed, I haven't seen that before, even on a very cheap chain, that one of the O-rings was sticking out, like loose, broken, ripped. And it's getting in that easy to stretch phase. I hope to ride it out for a while still though. Coffee. What makes it even better? A little bit of that. All right, now we got ourselves a clean chain again. Nice smooth operation that will get dirty within a day again. That stops you sometimes from doing, well, it's dirty anyway, and that's how it all accumulates. In the beginning, I would never clean my chain and lower the life expectancy. Now I'm still not perfect, but at least I do it. And by the way, once you go 70-30, you can't go back. Ever since I've gone to the Shinko 805, which should be like 70% off-road, like a Dunlop 606. The freedom that it has given me so far, I can't do without it anymore. It cost me about 100 to 105 euros to buy it and send it while it was in Chile. And abroad, a quality tire like this, that's a very good price point. Any other big brand tire, you know, you get the TKC or the Heidi's, price-wise, it will be over 200 euros, I think. At least over $200 to get one of those. And for the performance that this one gives, for half the price, probably less than half, it's brilliant.
¿El alguno pancito?
Sí, ¿cuánto quieres? ¿Cuántos panes quieres?
Ah, muestra que no sé qué tipo de pan es. ¿Puedo verlo? Sí, dale dos.
¿Dos?
Sí. Slow day after a couple days of relentless violence. So I stuck around for the day in Alota, calm, very quiet little village to decompress a bit, to relax. So I can continue editing, and we run into a little problem. There was a loud noise earlier, turned the computer off. Then I noticed one fan ain't running. But what happens when we manually turn it on? So I'm gonna have to open up the laptop, because I think you need both fans when you're editing, and the temperature gets pretty high in these laptops. Okay, here we are. Who wants to see a computer? So one of these. Damn, the fans look intact. This one spins freely. This one here, not so much. So I think the bearing is fried on this one. I'll clean it up, put it back, and leave it for what it is for now. All right. All right, that's dope. They're both working again. This is really good news. Hope this stays like this. Backing up today to head out to Uyuni and fuel up in San Cristobal, about 60 k's from here.
something. My superpowers. I got a nice bag of coca leaves now. I put them to dry in the sun because they taste a lot better drier and a lot less bitter. When in Rome. Alright, let's try that again. Here we are, the first real fuel pump. Let's see how it goes. Heard of funny stories at fuel pumps. For gringos, that is. Being me. 25 for 6 liters. Let's see what I get. Buenas tardes. ¿Cómo está?
8.68 el litro.
El litro.
Placa extranjera.
8 es más que los caballeros que vendieron en los pueblos por 5 o 6.
Facturas.
No necesito factura.
Y a 6.
Entonces hacemos a 6. Yep.
This is what I mean.
Well, this is Uyuni. Like a city town. I'm hungry.
Oh yeah, that was nice. Chicken boy.
I'm gonna look for an Intel place, SIM provider, so I can use the phone again. Funky little town this. You can tell that this is a small town that has started to grow way too fast. I got a SIM card again. Took a bit of a registration here with passport, but all good. I'm gonna leave Uyuni to Ching Chung, which is basically at the entry of the salt lake that leads to the Dakar Monument. You can get a nice evening shot with the sun. Feeling a bit under the weather though. Starting to feel slowly worse, which isn't that great. So let's see. So I might need a little bit of me special of the spinach. I feel like Popeye every time I take this. You get superpowers. Salar de Uyuni, the Salt Lake, and just so today the polarizing lens is broken. Just that the lens bit. Look at the llama. Llama! It fell out. So just on the day that we go to one of the brightest regions in the world, the polarizing lens breaks. Such is life, funny ways, etc. And I've been hearing good things about the water level. Don't be afraid, llamas. I come in peace. wet. Oh, this is pretty dope. But now that I'm here, I'm actually super stoked. Wow, this is super wet. They weren't kidding. Yeah, not today. I'm going to go through that effort. Wow, this is dope. Well, let's go to the other fellow motorcycle, right? Right. Oh no, photo bomb!
¿Qué tal? ¿Hablas español?
Oh shit, are they going through here? What are they up to?
We come from Finland.
Yeah,
We coming from Germany.
from Germany.
Yes. Sprichst du Deutsch?
Ah, nicht so good.
CC. With what's the Honda? The audio wasn't working because the cable is disintegrating. I gotta push it nowadays. What do you guys got? The Honda? That's a good. That's a good start.
Yes.
125cc. He was saying, oh, it's only on 25cc. No, it's perfect. You know,
perfect, yeah.
it's light. Anyone can fix that bike anywhere you go. You just travel.
Yes.
The mission was to travel. You have the bike. Go. ¿Por qué no compraron? Why didn't you buy in Ecuador? I mean,
Es muy caro.
¿Es más
muy
caro?
sí.
Sí.
Esta en Colombia, usada,
yeah,
con 13,000 kilómetros,
yeah.
1,200.
So bikes are cheaper.
Dollars.
Bikes are cheaper
Yes.
in
But
Ecuador.
in Ecuador,
In Colombia.
4,400.
Yeah.
4,400 dollars.
400,000.
Oh, don't.
Oh, du bist you're from Netherlands. You speak German. It's like, no. German is my worst language. Look, there's still a lot of water, as was predicted. Not going to go in today. It's going to take in this nice little sunset. We're all coming back. The Jeeps from deeper in the Salt Lake. I need to get out there too. ALP